Yeah, this is Kiran Kumar, CSC lab programmer. Another example of the thread programming. The previous programming, the common errors, discussing the common errors. The sleep method has a negative value, can cause an error. So the another error is the you can choose the sleep method. You can interrupt the interrupted exception. So don't know about that, but you can use the some simply exception. So in this programming, this recording, so um, I'm discussing with the thread. Thread is using for the two thread or runnable interfaces are using the same method name that is called the run. So what you are utilizing here, you please thread is a class. So this when you are using the class name, you can use the extends keywords. The runnable interface you can implement uh, key implements keyword to use. So this is the most common errors you are utilizing. So which these are you can extends runnable, it's cause an error. So what's happened? Runnable. So save, take the terminal, just wait. Java C, just right. Okay. Java C thread demo. Thread demo. Thread demo.java. So I can give it. So here the error class first thread is public, should be declared the public, the first thread. So extends are enabled. So here you are writing your code, your coding has there two more classes are there. So should be you are utilizing the public, so you should be create a file separately. This is one of the common error. So in case you are not separately, you can remove the public. So that is the one problem. So first once again I am save it, so you can run it. So once again cause an error. What the error? So the class second is public should be declared in it. The same errors you can occur. Thus another thread is there that is called the second class. That is second class that I also remove the public. So you can save it and recompile it. Then you can the actual error, there is no interface accepted here. Then what you are declaring the extents, you can use the class name only. It is not a class name, it is a interface name. So it is a one of the mistake in that particular set. The thread is not extendable, so that was the reason it is not a class. So it is not an interface, so you can use a thread class only. In case you are utilizing a thread runnable interface, you can use the implements keyboard you can use. So please find the my mistake and don't make a mistake. So be practice. Thank you.